Hmm. Look, these wheels can't come out. Look, the wheel doesn't come out. See, it doesn't come out. Oops. See, it doesn't come out. Then, oops. It's harder than in. Look, it doesn't come out.
Okay.
Not out.
What's next? How about the front of the car? You already put that on. That's a good job. What else goes on?
Where's this go? Here. Okay.
That's a good girl. That looks right. Good girl. You're so good at building things. Try turning it around. Maybe it goes the other way. Yeah, turn it around. Try that way. That looks right. Oh, good job.
Cisco. Oh, it goes on the bottom. I just go on the bottom where I broke. I broke things with my car.
Okay, let me help you.